Hello everyone, welcome to Talk with Hands, where we learn ASL together. In today's lesson, we're going to cover the ASL alphabet from A to Z. And we're going to also practice some finger spelling and even have some fun finger spelling tests at the end. So let's get started. To start off, I'm going to sign the ASL alphabet and you sign with me. Remember to rest your hand like this, your palm facing the person. Not like this, always have your hand like this. A, have your thumb out like this. B, make sure you have your thumb in and all your fingers are like this. B, C, remember I still have my palm facing you and I have my finger curled up in the C shape like this. C, D, you just have the index finger out like this and you just have all your fingers like in the circle like this and you have your index finger like this. E, you have all your fingers curled up like this. This is E. F is pretty much having all your three fingers out like this, F, and your index and thumb, you have them together. F. G, you have your index finger out like this and your thumb is upward like this. G. This time you have your back of the hand facing outward because you have to do the G sign like this. You cannot do this. You cannot do this. G. You have to do this. G. H. Just like G, you just take out the second finger like this. H. You as well see some people do H like this. H. This too is correct. You can do H or have your thumb out like this. H. We're back with our palm facing outward and we have a pinky finger out like this. I. This time you draw the J. 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 This should be easy. You got this? Sign with me. J. K. This time, see having your palm facing this way, you have your index and your middle finger outward, then you have your thumb touching your middle finger like this. K. K. L. Are you signing with me? So L, you have your index finger and your thumb out like this. L. 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 M. So M, you have your three middle fingers like this. Have your thumb inside and you close your thumb with your three middle fingers. M. N, this time you do it with the two finger, the index finger and the middle finger. You close your thumb. N. This is N. This is M. This is N. And now O. 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 This should be pretty easy. You have the O sign like this, the letter O. O. P. Do you remember K? Remember this was K, but P, this time you bring it down. Have your middle finger and your index finger outward like this, and you have your thumb touching your middle finger, but this time you have it down. P. Next letter, Q. Q. Have your index finger and your thumb downward like this. Q. R. You have your index finger and your middle finger all curled up to form the letter R. S. You just bring all your hand into a fist position like this. S. This should be easy. If you are to forget everything with S, just put your finger in the fist position like this and you remember S. This is S. T. Have your index finger covering your thumb like this. Makes it T. T. You have your index and middle finger out like this. Makes U. U. V. You just open it. You see? That's easy. V. You just open it. U. V. You add the next finger to the V and that makes W. Like the letter W itself, W. X. So you have your index finger all curled up like this, makes the sign X. This is Y. Y. You have your thumb and your pinky finger like this, makes Y. Y. Z should be the easiest among all. That's because you just draw the Z, like Z. If you signed with me to this part, clap for yourself. Yay! Well done, we did it. We signed from A to Z. Now we're gonna do it all together like a pro, because I'm sure if you follow through, you should be a pro by now. Remember, sign with me. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, we almost there, R, S, T, come on, you got this, T, yeah, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well done, I'm proud of you, you got this. If you signed with me to the end, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. I give you a 5-star. Now that we know the ASL alphabet from A to Z, now it's time to practice some fingerspelling. I'm gonna fingerspell some words and I will sign the word as well. So remember, keep signing with me, all right? The first word is cat. C, A, T. C, A, T. Cat. Book. Book. B, O, K. What I just did is the double O sign. I did a brief slide that shows it's a double letter. All right. So B, O, K. Book. Coffee. This is a sign for coffee. C, O, F, E. Did you see that? C, O, F, E. The F is double and the E is double. So you spell it as C, O, F, E. Orange. Orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. Well done. Feather. This is a sign for feather. F, A, T, H, E, R. Again. F, A, T, H, E, R. Feather. You not only did you know how to fingerspell, but you also know how to sign some words. Give me a high five. High five. So now let's do some fingerspelling tests. Are you ready? So I'm going to fingerspell some words and you tell me down in the comment section below what word I just fingerspelled. Don't forget to put your answer down in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Moreover, subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you all in my next ASL lesson. Love you. Family: mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, daughter, son, woman, man, boy, girl, baby, children, marry, wife, husband, female cousin, male cousin, divorce.